Welcome back to What I Tasted, where I make your favorite comfort foods, but better and plant-based. We've had some addicting burgers, and now it is time for me to make the ultimate addicting burger and make the Crack Burger 3.0. You've now seen a couple videos of mine where I remade Sam the Cooking Guy's Crack Burger 1.0 and his Crack Burger 2.0. But now we're gonna go ahead and make our way through my vegan Crack Burger. This is the 3.0, and this is the ultimate Crack Burger. Let's check it out. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do for this burger is to go ahead and roast up the garlic and saute some onions. I'm just going to run my garlic through this garlic press. And I'm going to do that for all of my garlic. Add a little bit of oil. And then I'm going to seal this up, and I'm going to roast it in the oven, 400 degrees, for about 20 minutes. So I'm going to cut that in half. I want to make the onion really, really fine. So you can see how I'm cutting this onion to be very specific as I cut it. I'm just going to cut it down again really, really fine. Okay, I'm going to add that onion to the cast iron. Okay, so the garlic and the onion are going, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make up my but better burgers. When I get to the end, I'm going to be adding a few other ingredients. So at this point, I have my normal beef burger mixture. I'm going to add in some ranch seasoning. I'm going to add in some vegan Parmesan cheese and some plant-based sour cream. Okay, now I'm going to get this all mixed up. I'm going to go ahead and set this aside for a little bit here. Okay, so for this next part, I'm essentially going to be making a brioche grilled cheese. So I'm going to get together some butter, some fresh garlic, and some plant-based Parmesan cheese, mix that up together, and I'm going to brush some brioche bread, and I'm going to add some cheese to that to get that grilled up like I did in Sam the Cooking Guy's Crack Burger 2.0. All right, so we're gonna get the garlic in here. Now there's options here. You can add more or less garlic. You can do garlic powder. But I want to have fresh garlic. Got the plant-based parm in here. And time to mix this up. And next up, I'm going to make some sauce. For this sauce, I'm going to add some sriracha. I'm gonna add some ranch dressing mix, some ketchup, mature vinegar, some honey, some garlic powder, smoked paprika, a little bit of plant-based milk. Okay, so we have the veggies, the sriracha, the ranch dressing seasoning, ketchup, we have some black vinegar or mature vinegar, some honey, garlic powder, also a little bit of smoked paprika and plant-based milk. So I'm just gonna mix that up. As per usual, let's try out the sauce. That's really good. So I'm taking the butter garlic Parmesan mixture, putting it on the bread, and I'm going to put that right down. I'm going to put some of the sauce on here. I'm going to top it with some plant-based cheese. I'm going to put more sauce on this slice of bread. Then add that to the top of the grilled cheese. Butter up this side. And flip the grilled cheese. Hear that nice crunchy sound to the bread? That's great. Alright, and the first one is done. Okay, so next up I'm going to go ahead and cook off some plant-based bacon. Now it's not going to take long to cook this bacon. Really, I'm just trying to crisp up each side of the bacon, and then I'll remove it from the heat. I'm going to take and make some small meatballs, basically. I want to make sure they're about the same size, and then flatten them down. I want them to be fairly thin, and then I'm going to add some plant-based mozzarella. I don't have a mozzarella recipe specifically, so use your favorite plant-based mozzarella recipe and put another patty over the top, pinch down the sides, and there is burger patty number 1. All right, and there we go. We're going to cook that up. That's looking great. Top it with some plant-based American cheese. Okay, so when it comes to plating this up, you need to pull your grilled cheese apart, and you're gonna be setting it down to plate up on that. So I'm gonna add some bacon. I'm gonna add some of the roasted garlic, some of those onions, some fresh lettuce. Going to add the burger patty on top, some fresh pickle, and there we have it. My crack burger is all done. Let's go ahead and try it out. This is tasty. This is a crack burger. This is a burger that makes you want more. You have a brioche grilled cheese. You have a delicious but better plant-based burger that I made myself, my own recipe, with some plant-based cheese inside of it, some ranch dressing seasoning in there. All comes together perfectly for that classical crack burger flavor. Some crisp lettuce on it, sandwich pickles, some roasted garlic, some sauteed onions, really small, kind of like what you would get at McDonald's. This is great. The sriracha barbecue ranch sauce on there, awesome. And the bacon hits at the perfect point. This is a fantastic crack burger. I recommend this for all of you. This is the way to go. This is the real deal. I'm Jeremiah, your friend with Food Benefits, and I'll see you again real soon.